hair fall, dandruff, weak hair, rough hair. Because of all this problem, you probably look like this in a few days. As long as you have hair on your head, start taking care of it, because there is no use in crying after the hair is gone. So if you do not want to lose your hair as you grow older, then today's video is for you. What I'm going to tell you hair care tips today is not only me. You take the name of any celebrity, everyone follows. Then it be Madhuri Dixit, Malaika Arora, Kirti Sanam, Tamanna or Priyanka Chopra. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. And one more thing, I put the small flash of shout out text in this video, which will be the scene first. Go to the comment box and mention the time lapse of shout out, and I will give him a shout out in the next video. Make root healthy. The health of your hair depend on the root of the hair. The more roots are healthy, the more healthy hair. So biggest source of making hair roots healthy is oiling. Due to oiling, your hair will become thicker and there will be no hair fall. But why don't you believe me? Yes, you will listen from the mouth of the celebrity itself. Then listen.
Try and do this once a week, and I can assure you your hair will start looking thicker, more lustrous, less hair fall, and generally your hair quality is definitely gonna get better. So do try this little secret of mine. Tell me
Now
how
believe. Now comes the question, but which oil to use? So don't worry, I will share with you the same hair oil recipe of Malaika Arora. So you have to take coconut oil, olive oil and custard oil in equal proportion, and add some curry leaves and fenugreek seeds and keep it close as it is, and you can use it once or twice a week. Now you will say, yeah Vaibhavi, already our hair is oily. What should we do now? So oily hair people only have to use coconut oil, fenugreek seeds and curry leaves. Include vitamin A and vitamin E in your hair care. So vitamin E and vitamin A is very important for hair care, because vitamin E makes your hair and your hair roots healthier, and vitamin A helps to grow your hair. So best source of vitamin A and vitamin E is carrot. But take out the carrot juice, then apply it on a hair, then let remain as it is. It becomes a very long process. So today I'm going to tell you the best source of vitamin A and vitamin E, which contains carrot. So I have nude shampoo and conditioner here. Drum roll please. So both of the product includes carrot. That's why I said this is a best source of vitamin A and vitamin E. So if we talk about the first product, so its name is Nude Carrot Seed Hair Shampoo. It will get you 300 ml for 650 rupees. And if we talk about these ingredients, then it has a carrot seed oil, fenugreek extract, aloe vera gel extract, glycerin and purified water. And you can understand that these all ingredients are good for hair. The second product is Nude Carrot Seed Hair Conditioner. You will get it 300 ml for 610 rupees. And talking about the ingredient, it contains carrot seed extract, sunflower oil, meadowfoam, seeds oil, vitamin E, provitamin B5, citric acid, glycerin and purified water. If we talk about the texture, the shampoo is bit watery in texture and the conditioner is bit creamy. And the best part, it comes with a pump bottle, and I personally love pump bottle. I have been using this for 10 days, and because of this, OMG, my hair has become so soft I can't tell you. I could not stop myself from touching the hair, and it's give a really good shine to the hair. So yes, it also makes your hair healthy. And talking about the packaging, it's very cute, and they give a carrot shape to the box also. And talking about the hair fall, my hair used to fall 50 a day. Now my hair falls 10 to 15 only. Include deep conditioning in hair care routine. So the hair mask is the best source of deep conditioning. You have to apply hair mask once in a month. So if you don't have time to apply hair mask once in a month, you should apply it at least twice in a month. So what should we apply for hair mask? We have to use
banana hair mask.
ये होगा बनाना केला बनाना से अच्छा हेयर मास्क इसके लिए 2 बनाना लीजिए.
Yes, we have to use this. But how do you trust me? Don't do it. But you will trust the Madhuri Dixit.
This
So
hair
listen.
mask basically helps to soothe and soften the hair, or it adds shine to your hair. I have found that this suits my hair the best.
So now let's see the recipe. So for the hair mask, you have to take 1 banana, 2 tablespoons curd and 1 tablespoon honey. So mix this well and keep it on hair for 30 to 40 minutes and it's give
Basically helps to soothe and soften the hair, or it adds shine to your hair. I have found that this suits my hair the best.
Last is protect your hair. Along with the making the hair strong from the inside, it is as important as protect your hair from outside, because as much as sun is good for your hair, is equally harmful if your hair stays in the sun for a long time. So it is equally important to apply serum for the hair. So it is necessary to apply hair serum for hair just like you apply sunscreen for the skin. So apply whatever serum you want to apply and which is suitable for you. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you love this video, do like and share, and if you are new here, do subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video. Love you all.